Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Trust Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This rollover scalper from Konstantin Kulikov is built around mean reversion during the noise period. In this video we'll see if it truly delivers on its name and its promises, so ensure you watch until the end for the full breakdown. Now, before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get to the Trust Expert Advisor. It has 5-star ratings and has just 3 reviews from people who have bought it. People who have purchased it. It goes for $497 US, which is approximately $500 US. And these are the settings. We'll get into this. These are from Konstantin, who is the developer. These are some of the history, how it works, all of this from the developer himself in the comments section. But from the developer, he just says that this is a real trader's tool based on years of experience since 2015. Yeah, and the core logic is scalping during the rollover hour when big players are away, causing price action to return to the average from extremes. It uses limit orders for minimal negative slippage. It works from one chart across multiple pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and more. Yeah, they are listed here, USD CHF, and so on and so forth. And there are 2 main approaches. There is the conservative approach, and there is the grid set for other conditions. The conservative approach uses stop loss on every trade. It emphasizes honest ECN brokers. It's important you have honest ECN brokers with good spreads, because you're basically scalping, and it's recommended the leverage to be 1:500, but adjustable for prop or conservative use. Set files are also provided, and the seller offers support, so you have to send a message to get the actual set files that suits your preferences. And the key features for this expert advisor includes the multi-symbol trading, the money management based on balance. We also have safety offsets for take profit and stop loss. And also there is the slip accounting and the position limits per currency. Then there is also the randomization to avoid correlation. We also have optional grid with pauses. If you want, there's the grid and martingale. You can use it, you can choose to use it or not, depending on what your preferences and your risk appetites are. But all of this gives you control over rollover timing and risk parameters for stable results on proper brokers. Now, I had the opportunity to test this expert advisor on MetaTrader 5 to see how it works. I ran it on Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 account, and it delivered about $4,600 in profits, which is very, very impressive. We have a profit factor of 2.75, and we also have a 74% win rate on 39 trades in total over the year, and max drawdown was around 11% for balance, and for equity we have 15% max drawdown. The equity curve trends steadily upward with some pullbacks, but at the end of the day we had some solid recoveries to the upside. Comparing this to the developer signals focusing on rollover performance, it lines up reasonably. Developer didn't necessarily give us backtest results, but they did give us signals with the stop loss and also signals when you insert the grid this is the signal with the stop loss, the conservative type, and we have some modest numbers here. Have a 71% win rate, initial deposit of $500, and it's been 14% growth since 2026 April, which it launched. And that is that for the signal. I don't think the grid signal is active, but comparing my backtest with the signal, it lines up reasonably with, there are realistic gains without hype. The thing is, settings like lot calculation on balance and max positions, we also have the safety pips offset, the sleep coefficients, we have the rollover minute timing and grid block. All of this actually matter most here. You can set all of this according to your preferences or according to your risk appetite to ensure that it works well for you. These are the settings for the grid. Now my verdict for this expert advisor, the Trust expert advisor, is that it's a disciplined rollover scalper that can work well on the right broker. And also nuances will include needing tight spread ECN brokers, potential inactivity outside rollover windows. As we saw in my backtest, we had just 39 trades in a whole year. Yeah, and also occasional 10 to 15% drawdowns during adverse moves. So if you're trading on a profit account that requires you to stay within a set drawdown, you should be careful and set it properly so you don't get your challenge phase blown. Hidden risks are broker quote issues, killing short SL trades. We also have multi-pair correlation and temptation to enable greed, because if you do, you have to accept the risks that comes with trading with a greed strategy in your expert advisor. Greed likes to add positions to losing positions to recover and take the trades back to break even. But a negative trend, maybe a bad day or a ranging market, could send your account down all the way, could wipe out months of profit. So this is one thing you should keep in mind when using greed, and it's good for experienced traders with proper setup who can monitor it. Beginners or those without ECN accounts should avoid this expert advisor. Now, profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size or risk that the trader is using. That's the end of this review on the Trust expert advisor. If you want more real expert advisor reviews like this, smash the like button and subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Useful indicators and patterns included, so ensure you check it out. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.